Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to how to turn on dark mode on LinkedIn. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. While it's possible to enable dark mode for certain web browser including Chrome and Safari, you might prefer to use a darker palette just for certain apps and websites. LinkedIn has its own dark mode that you can enable on the mobile app and in a browser. So how to do it? It's very simple. So first of all, of course, you have to open our LinkedIn apps on your phone. Now in here, you can open the settings by tap on the up left corner here on your profile. Now you can go to settings in the bottom left here. You can choose on account preferences. Tap on account preferences and you'll find on the display section there is an option dark mode. You can just tap on that and then here you can choose how your LinkedIn experience looks for this device. You can choose on dark mode. So now you have enabled dark mode on your LinkedIn app. If you choose device setting, this app will use the mode that's already selected in this device setting. So when your device setting is on the light mode, so your LinkedIn will also on the light mode like this. But if your device is on the dark mode, so your LinkedIn will also use the dark mode. It's very simple, right? And maybe if you prefer light mode, you can choose light mode or you can choose dark mode. It's very simple, right? So that is how to turn on, how to enable dark mode on LinkedIn. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.